Treis brisha crea olint Kerahora and I wrote the Dún Bleisca partning oile organs le Bús Darúl as current crave mana shine limni in a shelva on Chiador. Nun I wrote the Snapirshik 3 craves a Hela Vogan on Chiador. Hamatarma Donacha as Mark Foley Sula Clay can Shamana limni.
Torlinsha, Canchan, Hurricane Keen, is a Torotni more of the Jack Emery, Fortune, Emer Twahanchan Genta, Jack Ryan, Jack Initial, the Adam Englishes, which has a kid scored better than ever, Tashi folds Adam, and so goes Gama, Tashi Bulta Ega, but she Butcher Crane again, Tashi Butcher Crane again, 3 score. Ronan Lynch Trasna, is that? Yeah, Ta, as Feckham which go Bert's Imroar. Bert's Cotton Zorla question shot and ish Ega. Don't bless your jaw, Pascal Shot, a Santa Cole will go to all Cole Forza. And on the match, Cotton Zorla be sheer, the spots on August and Cole Forza, Ega Dreambreen.
August Kegariv, Bert Cotton Torsa Kush, Egg Dún Bleisca, Nora Hena Schlitter Skak, got Tapig, Leshna Kanilaka, the Fekala Gwyn, Inov, Crohoig She Jack Rockty, Augustin Marahorla.
Sheikh Holding score, take it from Damsha, no, but I saw some passing for shots, the Butcher shots to go on the leg, Butcher shot Ishil, the respond to Chen, she fought to Boylan, Boylan for Shahrish, Dahi Dempsey, Ellen Fury, gets on, she fought Dahi Torfin score, let go, goal! Ellen, Harva gear. Either.
Aaron Lehead the score on a Creaker Fad, Bajor Ní hé an Tavis Fiarage ach féchar sin bhí sé beagnach ar an lína Derek.
Or done one, so Chanchat thrasted it in a lot of clay, Canchan British agus Shelva Rich and Pascal Machanish, Doris Stapleton, Gira Shelval, Doris Stapleton, Vivru Castle Hart, Illini's Farrell Crohe again. He put it Doris Stapleton, August he put it Gadassiga, put the Hart, Traston. So the Chella fought to Aka. Right out now to Gera Corsi. Kay Hooks the Machas Liberchin, Jack Rowe. Adam English, Kayla, Tata Machas, Adam Magira, Eluchan, Ton Chelifosega, Ton Luasaga, Tasha Gira Grimer, Gomon, Mahans, Tagan scorers, John Bishop Mirulto, Tata Dumfrey score, Tasha Shin, Putsaga, Kahul Shin, Tasha Shin. Epa!
Yeah, the Garfad and a score at Adam August, Shinny and sort Talan Atage, on a rower fad, that's Hashbon Shake win Luasaga, Koma, August, Ona Khaman, and a Creaker Fad, August, Love and Othering Dún Bleisca.
Our Dermot on Umiucht Harvey Geir, for the Council Bulcha Trasna, Boylan the Gary Olarish, after watching Pat Ryan. Pat Ryan, the touch we scored. Pat Ryan on Boylan, Spanish Shingama, Margo Elchagama. The guy with Trasna, Mike Folinish, Ostin Mike Nagoli, Chancha Trasna in the park, the shots of sponsorship, Ishtach, August Hoshi Forza, that's on Council Bulcha. Dylan Lynch, Farrell Taka Shock, be Hena Jet scores against Hena Henyog, Bert took a shot, Colin Fecke. Shana Lord the Porka, Shana Rian the Notch, Hassan and Cahern or Hatter Schlitter Shock, Ostasha Jeta Raw, Oscora Hole, Wilchach Colin Ella all, Brandon Shigama, Margo Will Shigama. Mike Casey, Pashit Cool all, pretty much cooler air. Down the massive look for he's both calling one, put your eye again. Brew tacht. Already reached. August another, you're not Shelsa, Van Star, Bansama, and Dún Bleisca. Don Gado Rio. Zima, Nidio Gokboni, Zima, Sabrina Gavila, Zima, Shemlinohen, and I the Beersock. Zima, Keremlinohen, Arishan and the Beersock, and it's Paul Lager, Tom Weem, Derrick at the back, and a bark and top.
Feels like a new rush flowering.
Oh my God, this is probably the best day of my life. This is unbelievable. I can't explain it.
Corra Limney, fix the car, Dún Bleisca.
Is that a blue sky? Is that a blue sky? It's about time.
Santa Cole will go to Cole Forza. Dahi Torfin score, let go, goal.
I suppose the 2 goals, they were sucker punches. But we keep implementing our tactics. I know every time we get a sucker punch, this year we just seem to bounce back.
faculty Adam English. Go hauling again English. Loads Adam English.
For us at half time, we thought we were in a good position because we just couldn't wait to get out to the battle in the second half.
Target scorers jump as Amir will jump. Tata Dumfries scores. Tasha Shin once again. Carol Shin. Tasha Shin.
Last time we were here, I think we got beaten by 27 points against the Pearshing. And you know, that we needed to right the wrongs of that, and I think we did it today.
And Star Bantama and Don Blechka. Don Gado Rio.
What that team did today was just unbelievable. I can't believe it.